Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Daphne. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get into the video. I'm going to share with y'all some things that I got to decorate my garden with. And then once I show you all that, I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to style it. My son got me this for Mother's Day to put out there, and I thought it was very cute. I can't wait to put that out there. And it's actually heavy. And he may have gotten this from Family Dollar or one of those places. I'm not for sure, but oh, it's so cute. And I actually ordered these. And they came in the other day, and these hang on the side of your pots, and they're 3 little frogs. Oh, and they're so cute. We got one more in here. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. They're gonna have problems standing up because they're supposed to be hung up on too. I wonder if I should do which one first. I'm gonna do Dollar Tree. Okay. I got this wind chime. It was only $1. I don't know how it's going to sound, but I'm gonna hang it on my front porch. I was like, it's cute anyway. And they had the little stakes that you put in the yard for $1 a piece. I had one like this. So cute. And I got 2 that are butterflies, just different colors. And they were only $1 a piece. And I got some, also from Dollar Tree, some little fans to put in the yard. And it's so cute. And they had different colors. I don't know how many I ended up buying, but they were all only $1 a piece. The green one, the red one. And I got 2 more here. And a pink one, and one that's just a rainbow color. But I'm just gonna put them throughout my front of my yard where all my flowers are. They had some little mushrooms. Figure I can set them down there. I thought they were very cute. The only thing is they didn't have different color ones. I think I ended up picking 2 of them up, but I figure I can spread them out somewhere else. But that's the only ones they had color-wise, but I thought they were very pretty. And they had little rocks to put in your garden to have different sayings on them. And they were only $1 also. You know, everything at Dollar Tree is $1. This one here says believe. I thought that was very pretty. I got that one. This one here says hope. Oh, they were so cute. I think she put them in too big of bags, though. This one here says peace. Very pretty. What else I got in here? Oh, and I got 2 bigger ones. This one says bless our home. That one was very cute too. And these would just lay on the ground where your flowers are. And I have one more. This one here is supposed to hang up. I gotta figure where I'm gonna hang it, but it says welcome to our garden. I thought that was so cute. I went to Family Dollar. I also found some really good things also for my garden. And these were only $1 also. Look how cute that is. Little blue bird. Very cute. Found that. And I found a squirrel that is a LED to where once the sun hits at nighttime, his eyes will glow. But I thought it was so cute. This one now was $3 because it was, you know, a little bit bigger, but that is just adorable. It's gonna look so cute in my garden. And I found this. It says welcome, and it's got little frogs. It was only $1. And I found another little bird. I don't know what that one will be considered, but it's so cute. The colors are beautiful on it. Oh, I love stuff like this. This is so cute. And this one here is a cardinal. I have a lot of these birds in my yard. Oh, beautiful. Okay. And I also have found some more stakes to put in the yard. Little hummingbird stakes, and their wings actually move. I have 2 of those. Here's the other one. I thought they were very cute. And I have 2 more. I can get it out. This hung. 2 more stakes, and I thought these were adorable. They're both was only $1 too. Family Dollar. Very cute. All in this. Turned upside down. Wind chime. Oh, it's all tangled up. Oh, this was $5, but look how pretty that is. It's got a hummingbird. I thought that was very beautiful. That was $5. And I have 2 packs of solar lights. These came in a pack of 6 for $5. I don't know how great they are, but I'm gonna try them. So I got 12 that I can put down around my flowers, but I thought they was a good price, so we'll try it out and see. Okay, now let's go style. Spots that has no flowers yet are still the spots that I have to do another haul with flowers and plant. I got everything set up. Oh, it looks beautiful. I am so happy with the way everything looks. I will do an update video when I get some more flowers. Hopefully it'll be within a few days. We'll see where it goes though. And I will show y'all when I do the last little bunch that I get. That being said, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe and push the bell button to be notified the next time I upload a video. Thank you and have a blessed day.